So I have just checked in to the Hyatt Place, North River in Chicago. And here is a little tour of the room for your entertainment and enjoyment. Of course, I came in earlier, put my stuff down, and turned on the lights so that everything would be adequately illuminated. Here we go. This is our main area. This is very typically Hyatt Place. And most of the regular rooms in the Hyatt Place have this sort of a configuration. So this is not too unusual. We have a beautiful view from the 16th floor, LaSalle Street, and right down below us, Illinois Street. And for the actual bedroom, we actually have a clock, an alarm clock. 4 pillows, I love it. Okay, here is our closet. Pretty nice. Central air conditioning and a thermostat. Here are our drawers. This will be our refrigerator in here. Okay, let's see. Yep. And it's nice and cold in there. Here we have our refreshments area. We have our coffee and teas. Let me close this other door. Coffee, teas, glasses, ice bucket, coffee machine, water, phone, desk. Well, those are my bags. Little partition for the sitting room area. This, you can sleep on this thing too. And going this way, we have the bathroom. Pretty standard Hyatt bathroom. Shower. Sink. Guys, for those of you who like to look down when you pee, don't worry. Hyatt got you covered. All you have to do is stay right here and look in the mirror. No problem. And that's my room.